Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today I will take your math class for nursery. Everyone, take out your in math book. Everyone, turn your page. Okay, now let's start reading first numbers. So, you can see here what is this? This is called 1. What is this? 1. So you can see here one picture. Any guesses? What is this? This is crocodile. This is crocodile. Okay. This is crocodile. Okay. Now next you can see which number is this? Yes, this is 2. This is 2. So you can see here 1, 2 cards. You can see here 2 cards picture. Isn't it? So what is this? Cards. How many cards? 2 cards. Okay, now turn the page again. What is this? This is 3. We all know this is 3. Number 3. So, now look at the picture. What is this? This is cats. Now let's count the cats. How many cats are there? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3 cats are there. Now the next, you can see which number is this? This is 4. This is number 4. Okay, now look at the picture. You can see some dolls are there. Let's count this all from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dolls are there? 4. How many? 4. So this is what? This is 4. Okay, again turn the page. Yes. So you can see the next number is 5. What is this? 5. Okay. Now we will read. See, some picture is there. What is this? This is board. This is all boards. Okay. Now let's count how many boards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many boards are there? 5. So what is this? Number 5. Now next one. See, this is 6. This is number 6. So look at the picture, everyone. What is this? I think you can say, what is this? This is a bus, isn't it? This is a bus. So let's count how many buses are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buses there? 6. So what is this? Number 6. Now the next, turn your page, everyone. What is this? Which number is this? Any guesses? Yes, this is number 7. This is number 7. Okay, now you can see shirt picture. What is this? Shirt, isn't it? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many shirts are there? 7. What is this then? This is a number 7. Now the next one you can see. What is this? Which number? Yes, this is 8. Now look at the picture. Who can say what is this? This is an igloo. This is an igloo. Okay. What is this? This is an igloo. Let's count. How many igloos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many igloos are there? 8. So, which number is this? This is 8. Again, turn your page. You can see here number 9. This is which number? Number 9. Now look at the picture. You can see lamps are there. Okay, this is a lamp. It gives us light. No? Okay. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many lamps are there? 9. So, what is this? Number 9. The next one you can see here the picture. What is this? Yes, 1, 0, 10. This is 1, 0, 10. Now you can see here pictures are there. So what is this? This is our rockets. This is our rockets. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many rockets are there? 10. So what is this? 10. 1, 0, 10. So again from beginning we will read once more. Okay. Okay, now let's read from beginning. Say with me everyone. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, now everyone open your first page. See, here is given that how to write 1. How to write number 1. So you can see 2 is done for us and 1 another all are given here dots. This is called dots. So what you have to do? You have to hold the pencil like this. See, I am keeping here the pencil. Okay, what you have to do? To take the pencil and you have to hold here in the front. Okay, and you have to write here from dot. See, from the top of the dot like this you have to do. Again I am doing. See, yes, make a straight line. That is called number 1. Understood? Like this you have to do. Fill the dots like this. Be careful. Make it straight line. Okay. Okay, now I will do for you. See? So you have to do like this. Straight line. This is called number 1. This is number 1. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to fill all the boxes. Okay. This will your homework. Okay. Now the next you can see number 2. Number 2 is here. So what you have to do? See, Don't think that it is too difficult. It is very easy. Okay. What do you have to do? You just first overwrite like this. See what I'm doing? Overwrite like this. Slowly, slowly you have to move the pencil like this. 5 times you have to do like this. 5 times. Okay. Again repeat like this. Yes, slowly, slowly. Yes. Start from here. Yes. Now you can see the dots are here given. It's very easy. Just move your pencil from top to down. Yes. Slowly, slowly you have to make a half circle, then here straight line. Isn't it? Sorry, it is a slipping line. Again I am doing, see, you have to make half circle, then a slipping line. Again half circle, then slipping line. Half circle, then slipping line. Okay. Now I will do, see, start from here, slowly, slowly, half circle, then slipping line. Slowly, slowly, half circle, then slipping line. Now number 1 and number 2 will your homework. Okay. Everyone do in your home and I will check it. Send the picture in your group, in your WhatsApp group. I will check it. Okay. Still now? Still that?